Hello friends, in this video we are going to do some calculation part regarding resistors in series and parallel. In our previous video on this basic electrical engineering playlist, our lecture series number 2 and 3, we have analyzed about to find out the equivalent resistance of series connection and parallel connection. So if you are not clear with the theory part, just go and watch the previous videos, and in this video we are going to do some calculation part only. So here is the basic question. In the following circuit, calculate the total current IT taken from the 12 voltage supply. Here the 12 voltage supply is connected in between point A and point B. So here is the point A and here is the point B. So here in between 2 points here we have connected 12 voltage supply, and here is the resistors are connected in series and parallel form. So the initial step we need to do is we need to find the equivalent resistance for this entire network. So here I am going to simplify more. Here R1, then here so here you can see this. Here R4 is connected parallel with this R2 and R3, but R2 and R3 are in series form. Therefore here in this network or in this path, 8 ohm resistor and 4 ohm resistors are connected in series form. Therefore the equivalent resistor will be addition of these two resistivity values. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 ohm. So here 12 ohm resistor. So here R4 is 12 ohm. Here R1 is 6 ohm. Here the current is IT. Furthermore, we can simplify this circuit. Here you can see that here these 12 ohm resistors are connected in parallelly. Here these two 12 ohm resistors are connected parallelly. Therefore the equivalent resistors will be 1 over R dash equal to 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12. So the R dash will be equal to the product of these two resistivity value over the sum of two resistivity value. So that will be equal to 6 ohm. So here I am going to redraw this circuit. Here 6 ohm, and here for this 12 ohm parallel connection I can replace by 6 ohm resistors for this equivalent circuit. So here 6 ohm resistors are connected, here also 6 ohm. So here now you can see that here 6 ohm resistor and 6 ohm resistors are connected in series form in between point A and point B. Here point A, here point B. So from point A to point B, the equivalent resistor will be 12 ohm. The voltage difference between point A and point B is 12 voltage. So this is the simplified circuit. So from this circuit now we can find the IT. Here the current flowing through the circuit IT will be equal to the supply voltage over this total resistance R equivalent. I am considering this one as Req. This one as Req. So that will be equal to the supply voltage is 12 voltage over the R equivalent is 12 ohm, so that will be equal to 1 ampere. So I hope you will clear with this question. This is very basic question. Resistors in series and parallel, example number 2. So here is another circuit. It's look like a little complicated than our previous one, but it is very easy. Don't get afraid. Here you can see that for the simplification, first we need to find out the equivalent resistance. Here, to find out the equivalent resistance, initially we need to start with the bottom part of, then only it will be more easier than to start with the front part. So I am going to start, or I am going to simplify from this bottom part of this circuit. Here you can see that here R8 and R10 are connected in series with this R9. Here this R9 and this circuit are parallel connection. So here 10 ohm resistor and 2 ohm resistors are connected in series. Therefore the equivalent resistor will be 10 plus 2 ohm, that will be equal to 12 ohm resistor. So here we can take out these two resistors and we can replace with by 12 ohm single resistor. So I am going to redraw this circuit. So here 12 ohm 12 ohm resistor connected parallel with this R9. The value of R9 is 6 ohm. So here these two resistors are connected in parallel form. Therefore now we need to find the equivalent resistance for this 12 ohm and 6 ohm. So 12 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. So therefore the equivalent resistor will be product of each resistivity value over sum of each resistivity value. So that will be equal to 4 ohm. So here we can take out these two resistors and replace with 4 ohm resistor. So I am going to again redraw this circuit. So here 4 ohm connected series with R7, but here these two resistors are connected in parallel with R6. Therefore we can simplify more according to our equivalent resistance equations. Here R7 is 8 ohm, here 4 ohm. So 8 ohm and 4 ohm are connected in series. Therefore the equivalent resistor will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 ohm. Here 12 ohm, here R6 is 6 ohm. So 12 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel form. Here 12 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallelly. So again the equivalent resistor will be product of resistors and sum of resistors. Again that will be equal to 4 ohm. So we can replace this circuit by 4 ohm single resistor. Then again I am going to redraw this circuit. So again you can see that here 4 ohm and 4 ohm are connected in series, but these two resistors are connected in parallel with this R4. Here the value of R4 is 8 ohm. So again 8 ohm resistor connected in parallel with this 8 ohm resistor. So 8 ohm and 8 ohm we need to find out the parallel combination equivalent circuit. So then we need to find the equivalent resistance for this 8 ohm parallel connected with 8 ohm resistors. Therefore R equivalent will be product of two resistors and sum of two resistors. So that will be equal to 4 ohm. Again that will be equal to 4 ohm. Then we can take out these three resistors and we can replace by 4 ohm single resistors here. So I am going to again redraw the simplified circuit. So here you can see that here this R3, which means this 4 ohm resistor and this 4 ohm resistor are connected in series. Therefore from this part the equivalent resistor will be 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 ohm. So here 8 ohm resistor again connected in parallel with this R2. The value of R2 is 8 ohm. Therefore again 8 ohm resistor is connected in parallel with this 8 ohm resistors. So 8 ohm connected in parallel with this 8 ohm. Then the equivalent resistor will be also again 4 ohm. So that 4 ohm resistor is connected in series with this R1. So again I am going to redraw the final simplified circuit. So here finally this 4 ohm resistor is again connected in series with this 6 ohm resistors. So now we need to find the equivalent resistor here, the equivalent resistor in between point A and point B. Therefore here you can see that here 6 ohm resistor is connected in series with this 4 ohm resistor. Therefore 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 ohm resistors. So the equivalent resistance in between point A and point B will be 10 ohm resistors. So here is our final simplified circuit. Here Req will be 10 ohm. So this is the answer. I hope you will clear with this question.